Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I have such a fun video. I am collaborating with Protein Milkshake and trying some new protein powders. So I first heard about Protein Milkshake from Lose Weight Sarah. She did a review with them, so I started following them, and I don't know how it came to be, but they offered to send me a sample pack of protein to try. And I thought it sounded really fun. I mean, from what Sarah said, it sounded delicious. If you're not subscribed to Sarah, go on over and subscribe. But it sounded awesome and really up my alley because I do work out every day, either at Burn Boot Camp or I am training for a marathon. So I'm running a lot. So I'm always needing to get that protein in after my workout, whatever it is. So I'm really excited. It came in the cutest package, like it's this holographic silvery packaging, which is so awesome and like so very me. They are just cute. Like I really like on their Instagram, they have like little quotes and stuff, and they have all this pink. It's like very me, very me. So I'm hoping the protein itself is very me. So let me bust into the package. I'll show you what I got. It came super quick and it is in this like sealed thing for freshness, I'm sure. All right, let's take out the different kinds. We have chocolate cupcake. Yes, and look how cute that is. That's adorable. Then we have cupcake batter. Ooh. Chocolate sundae. Yum. And finally, strawberry shortcake. I'm so excited. I think I'm most excited for the chocolate cupcake. That sounds so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try them out just like in my natural habitat, like after a workout, because I don't wanna like waste them by trying them now. And I always mix with almond milk, so I'm just gonna use like the exact same amount of almond milk every time. So what I usually do is I'll like put it in a shaker, shake it up. If you're wondering about the calories, the strawberry and the cupcake have 110 calories, and then the two chocolatey ones have 120, and they are sweetened with stevia and monk fruit, which is great. I actually don't do artificial sweeteners like sucralose. A lot of protein powders have sucralose because it's like 0 calories and it's not going to put in any carbs, but I don't do that. I'm not into that. So I'm glad that they have a different type of sweetener, and they actually have organic whey protein, which is really great. And they all have 22 grams of protein, which is really good as well. The protein that I normally use is from Burn Boot Camp where I go, and it's very clean ingredients. So I'm kind of like, when I look at a protein, I want to see like a short list. I love that it's organic whey protein, organic cocoa, salt, natural flavors, dried cream extract, xanthan gum, which is a thickener, organic stevia, organic monk fruit. I mean, that's it. So it's a really short ingredient list, and it doesn't have like weird things you can't pronounce, no like weird chemicals. So I love that. I'm hoping that it's just as delicious as they sound. I mean, the packaging itself is adorable. So yeah, I will be trying these throughout the week. When you see me again, I'm probably not going to look this cute because it'll be right after a workout. So you'll just have to bear with me. But I'm really excited. And thank you so much to Protein Milkshake for partnering on this. This is so exciting. I can't wait to try them. It is time for Protein Milkshake number 1. So I have 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk from Trader Joe's. That's what I always mix my protein with. And I'm gonna do the chocolate cupcake today because that's the one I am most excited for. Opening it up. Okay, no, there is no dust flying. That's a good sign. So you can kind of see there's like chocolate and vanilla in there, it seems like the cupcake and then the chocolate. Shake, shake, shake. All right, there are some clumpies so far. Yeah, I mean, there's like a little bit of clumpage, but It seems like it's dissolving pretty decently. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. I mean, the moment of truth, right? Oh, we have some in the cap. I mean, that happens though. Like, I just use these shakers because it's easy. So I got a little on the cap. All right. Oh, it does smell like a cupcake though. Mmm. I don't really taste the chocolate that much. Maybe a little. It definitely tastes like a cupcake though. Like, for sure there's that like cake battery flavor. I do feel like it could be mixed more. I also, sometimes I'll throw in like 1 or 2 ice cubes just so that it's like actually cold. Sometimes I also do it in the blender, but usually I use the blender for like with fruit and stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's really good. It's really tasty. I love that it's grass-fed because the Burn Bootcamp stuff is grass-fed, and that's really important to me. So I say the chocolate cupcake is really good, and we have 3 more flavors to try, so I'm excited for the next one. We're back for the next protein milkshake taste test. I actually didn't work out today, but yesterday I had a 16-mile run. So I want to get some protein in. It's Sunday morning. I'm about to watch Sarah's live stream in like 20-25 minutes. The other day, the shaker method didn't work as quickly as I was hoping. It did eventually like completely dissolve, but when Sarah tried it, she used her little like, whatever this is called. Mine's called an Aero Latte. So I'm gonna try that method because it seemed to work really well for her. So today I'm trying chocolate sundae because I tried chocolate cupcake the other day. So I feel like with that kind of like fresh in my head, then I can see. So I have my 8 ounces of almond milk, vanilla, unsweetened almond milk. That's what I always mix my protein with. So I feel like it's gonna be accurate to like what I'm used to. I just don't like it with water. I feel like it needs a little something with like body to it. I don't know. Okay, so here it is. Then we're gonna use our mixer. To mix it on in. Just by looking at it, I do think it worked better. I don't really see much clumps. There's just like a little residue from when I poured the powder in on the sides, but you can't really avoid that. And I did try to like just take it up the side a little bit, but I didn't want to get protein milkshake all over myself. All right, so yeah, I mean, it looks really mixed. That's really good. I would say, to me, it tastes more like a brownie than a sundae, but maybe like it's a brownie sundae. I don't know. Well, I guess like chocolate ice cream. Yeah, I like that. I think I might like that just a little bit better than the chocolate cupcake, because the chocolate really comes through. That's really good. That's really, really good. Okay, I would give the chocolate sundae 10 out of 10. Time for another protein milkshake, strawberry shortcake. I've got my 8 ounces of almond milk. It's good. Not super strawberry, but good. It is the last taste test, and we have Cupcake Batter. Isn't that so cute? I'm really sad. I don't want to be done with these, so I'm gonna have to find a flavor to order. So I'm gonna mix up. I've been using, like I said, 1 cup of vanilla unsweetened almond milk, and then I'm using my little hand mixer like Lose Weight Sarah did. Dun dun dun, we have our cupcake, protein milkshake. I did add ice. I like ice, I just like it cold. I bet it would be really good if you blended it with ice. It really does taste like a vanilla cupcake. How do they do it? There's something magical. I don't know how they do that. Like, something about it. It actually tastes like cupcake batter. And I noticed that with the chocolate too. These are so good. I'm really sad that this is my last one because I don't have any more, so I'm gonna have to order some, and I really hope they ship fast. Thank you again to Protein Milkshake for sending the protein powders my way. They were so delicious. I don't know how I'm gonna pick what kind to get, but they do have like variety packs, so that's probably what I'm gonna do because they were all so good. So thank you everybody for watching. You know, Protein Milkshake has just been so fun to work with. They've been so supportive on Instagram, like commenting on some of my marathon posts, like cheering me on. They were so great with Lose Weight Sarah's challenge last month and being really supportive with that as well. So they just seem like such a nice company, and I just love the vibe. Like, they just seem so awesome. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.